Case: cerebral palsy, spastic quadriplegia, and urinary incontinence. Cerebral palsy is a group of disorders that affect a person's ability to move and maintain balance and posture. CP is the most common motor disability in childhood. Cerebral means having to do with the brain. Palsy means weakness or problems with using the muscles. Spastic quadriplegia, also referred to as spastic quad or spastic quad CP, is a form of cerebral palsy. That means the loss of use of the whole body. It's the most severe of the three types of spastic cerebral palsy, marked by the inability to control and use the legs, arms, and body. Urinary incontinence, the loss of bladder control, is a common and often embarrassing problem. The severity ranges from occasionally leaking urine when you cough or sneeze to having an urge to urinate that's so sudden and strong you don't get to a toilet in time. Issues before treatment. Right eye's vision is dead. Left eye is very weak. Cannot tell when she excrete, urge to urinate. Delayed milestones. Squint in right eye. Spasticity. Constipation. Pain in hands, legs and thighs. Open mouth. No hip control. No body control. Left side is weak. Blood infection. Fits history. Hands are never straight. Body strength is very low. 8th part of improvement. Other doctor said she can't be cured completely. But after Nadi Yoga first month therapy, see what happened. Legs, thighs and hands pain is completely gone, and within 3 days, she started telling about urine and potty. She is less hyper now. She is standing for a few seconds without support. Improvements after Nadi Yoga second month therapy. She is sitting very well. Her hands are completely straight and open. She doesn't get tired now. There is a lot of improvement in her body. Improvements after Nadi Yoga third month therapy. There is an improvement in her neck holding. She could not sleep. There is an improvement in this too. Now she eats food herself, drinks water, tells about the washroom. She even stands up a bit. Stands up while sitting. Now the elbows of Ayat have become straight. Her speech has become very good. It's very clear now. She has become very intelligent now. Remembers things. Now, the focus of her eyes are also very good. Improvements after Nadi Yoga 4th month therapy. She is handling her neck and waist by herself. Now she can close her eyes. Her fingers used to be outwards, but now she turns her fingers inwards. Now she has become strong. When we hold her, we feel that there is power in her body. Improvements after Nadi Yoga 5th month therapy. Her understanding has been improved a lot. Now she tries to stand and she can hold for few minutes. Improvements after Nadi Yoga 7th month therapy. Now, Ayat is standing on her own support. She is walking without support. She is sitting by herself without any support. Improvements after Nadi Yoga 8th month therapy. Hello, I am Ayat's mother. I wanted to share with you my daughter's improvement status through this small video. It has been 8 months now. 9th is going to be start soon. During this, Ayat's health was not good for 2 months, so her exercise could not be done properly. But still, she did not give up everything completely. She was doing fine. Then Dr. Nishu suggested something stretching exercises. There were some improvements because of that. Then Ashish sir started her first therapy again. Ayat has become much better than before. As I do this exercise with her to get up from the sofa. Then she stands up holding my shoulder for a while and stands without support also for some time, around 20 seconds. So there are things like this. Overall, there is a difference in her body. I hope and wish there will be further improvement through our collective efforts. Thank you so much. Journey of 9 months with Nadi Yoga brought a wave of remarkable changes. To be continued. Nadi Yoga. Opposite Pacific Gulf State, Sahasradhara Road, Kulhan, Dehradun. Visit our site www.nadiyoga.com and mail your inquiries at nadiyoga@gmail.com or call on landline 135 262 9944. Mobile 72520 52999.